obviously the biggest news here at the ISC conference is the top 500 list. We're the #1 supercomputer on there, AMD. We got the Trento processor in there. We got our MI250X in there. And of course our Infinity Fabric hooking it all together. So it's just a great result, great day here for AMD.
I'm here for networking, to learn what everybody else is doing and to show a little bit of our project. We are building a system that deals with semantic data management.
It's great to be back in person conference, and the reason of coming here was to present my work. One of the paper got accepted, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get a lot of energy boost when I go back.
Me and my colleagues come to ISC for a number of reasons. One of them is networking and meeting collaborators, but definitely part of it is talking to vendors, hearing about new hardware and seeing what research is going on out there.
This is a good experience for our team because we've been able to meet the people who have coded the applications that we are trying to compile and run. That's something like a really good experience and a first contact for us with the outside HPC world outside Barcelona.
I mainly participate at ISC because I would like to understand more about what's going on around me, what's going on in the community, what's going on in the other similar organizations and in its industry, and what should I pick up from here. So what ideas, perspective, viewpoints should be picked up so that when we go back, it would be nice to prioritize some of these things into projects or initiatives or experiments.
I think the coolest thing here is people, because after 2 years quarantine, I think that's really quite nice to see people face to face.
I went to the quantum computing talk by ISC, and it was brilliant, really informing.
The coolest thing I think is definitely the quantum computer model they've got just up there. I was chatting to the guys about how it works and they've simplified it so much just through some little Lego model of it, which is really, really cool. It's definitely the coolest thing I've seen today.
It was very interesting to see a broad range of different topics, topics from academia, topics from the industry, different use cases where HPC is being applied, and also discussions about the future directions of HPC with quantum computing, digital twins, and so on. This was very interesting.
I've seen a lot of cool things, but I would say the Fugaku stand would stand out most. Because when I joined, it was the first supercomputer in the whole world. So just learning about all the equipment that they have on site, the data sets, and so it's a lot.
The most exciting thing so far for me was the BOF session of RISC-V. And I've learned that they've made some exciting progress there.
But mostly my focus was on future of applications, or what kind of new applications would be introduced. My favorite session was HPC applications in industry.
The coolest thing I've seen so far is the VAS stand, because firstly they have a very nice caricaturist who draws really fun pictures of people, and it's really interesting what they do with their supercomputers to create really interesting digital images.
The coolest thing I've seen today was immersion cooling, because you can really put your fingers in and that doesn't hit you with with electricity, right? I'm coming from the thermal management, so it was quite impressive to see what the modern cooling technology can achieve.
Supercomputing as an industry continues to accelerate. I find that everyone here is excited to be part of moving science forward, and at the end of the day, we're all just part of a big system trying to make the Earth continue to spin round.
Thank you very much.